Hello, and welcome to our guide for sole traders incorporating a limited company. If you've been operating as a sole trader or partnership and have now decided to take advantage of the benefits in starting a limited company, then this guide will help you understand what's involved. We will cover things to consider, responsibilities as a director, how to form a limited company. Incorporating a company can be a great way to save tax and to protect your personal assets. But there are a number of things you must do when incorporating. Decide on a date when trading will cease for the sole trader business and continue through the limited company. It's a good idea to set this date in advance so that you have time to get everything in place ready for the company to take over. Open a bank account for the limited company. Although it's not a legal requirement to have a limited company bank account, it's strongly recommended that you do, and only put business transactions through it. Mixing your personal and business transactions can lead to unnecessary hassle later on. If you have suppliers, you should inform them that you're opening a limited company. Creating a new account with your suppliers under your company name will protect you later if you get into financial difficulty. If you're registered for VAT, then the registration should be carried over to the limited company. The easiest way is to transfer the existing VAT number to the company, effective from the date you would like to start trading through the company. If you have employees, then your existing pay-as-you-earn scheme should be closed down, and another opened for the company, again using your chosen date. If you have employment contracts in place, then new contracts should be drawn up under the company name. Update your stationery, such as letterheads and invoices, to show the limited company name, company number, and registered office address. Start new bookkeeping records for the company. If you're using bookkeeping software, then a new account should be set up just for the company, and your sole trader records should no longer be used. And finally, decide which assets, such as vehicles or equipment, are being introduced into the company. As you can see, there are a few things to do, but your accountant should be able to handle most of these points for you. A director of a limited company is the person or persons responsible for the running of the company. Directors do have certain responsibilities that you should be aware of before becoming one yourself. Articles are a set of rules agreed upon when the company is formed. As a director, you will be obliged to follow the rules set out in these articles, so it's a good idea to have a read through them when incorporating. As a director, you should only make decisions that benefit the company and not to benefit you personally. If you don't have a good bookkeeping system in place already, you'll need to ensure this is done, because directors have the responsibility of ensuring that the company accounts are true and fair. You must also abide by the Companies Act 2006, which outlines the legislation applicable to companies. As a director, you can become personally liable for your company's liabilities and fined or prosecuted if you don't follow the rules, so it's really important that you operate the company in the proper way. There are a few options when forming or incorporating your limited company. You can use a formations agent or accountant to incorporate on your behalf. This is the most expensive option, but having the experts form your company will mean there's much more chance it will be set up correctly. You can form the company with Companies House directly. This is low cost, but if you do choose this option, then you should ensure you understand what you are doing. We can form limited companies for ongoing clients free of charge. Please get in touch to speak with us about this. Well, that's it. You should now understand a little more about what's involved when setting up your limited company. Thanks for watching.